How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. Today I'm going to be taking a look at SVE's 18-inch 2001 to 2002 style Lightning wheels fitting the 93 to 95 first generation Ford Lightning. For years, Gen 1 Lightning owners have had to scour the interwebs in search of a Gen 2 Lightning wheel. Once they found a full set, you had to bust out the drill and adequate drill bit to drill out the lug holes to accommodate the 5 on 5.5 inch bolt pattern found on the 93 to 95 trucks. Some years later, SVE's wheel engineers decided it was time to finally end all of that nonsense once and for all. For the first time ever, Gen 1 Lightning owners can truly bolt on Gen 2 2001 style Lightning wheels without any fancy adapters or drilling. Each wheel is going to feature a one-piece cast aluminum construction, just like the factory wheels. They are currently offered in a silver and gloss black finish and will include a matching center cap. Within the matching center cap will be a gloss black medallion with chrome SVE logo. These wheels are going to measure in at 18 by 9.5 inches, incorporate a positive 14 millimeter offset, 5.8 inches of back spacing, and they're going to tip the scale at approximately 36 pounds. Now, the only fitment note when running this 2001 style Lightning wheel on your 93 to 95 truck is that they are going to require the use of 1/2 inch 20 acorn style lug nuts, which are currently available in either a black or chrome version. You'll be able to snag these wheels by themselves in a wheel kit or in a wheel and tire kit that will arrive at your doorstep, mounted, balanced, and ready to bolt onto your truck. To see more products from industry leader SVE, hit that subscribe button. Be sure and head on over to LMR.com to scoop you up some 2001 style Lightning wheels from SVE for your first gen 93 to 95 SVT Lightning.